Hello, this is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. This time I'm going to sprout some mung beans using an automatic sprouting machine. First thing you need to do, get some mung beans. You can get them on Amazon. Then you are going to put the beans inside the machine this way. You can soak them for, I don't know, 10 minutes, or basically rinse them before adding the seeds to the tray. Now you need to fill with water this container up until this mark over here. That's it. Next step, take the container and you're going to put it inside here, like so. This little thing goes on top, and this acts as a water sprayer as soon as I turn it on. Put the lid on top and let's turn it on. So it's on. I'm going to press start. It's fall, so I press this button over here. One sec. So you press the start button here, and then the season you are in. Right now in Australia we are in fall or autumn, so I'm going to press this one here, and that's it. So the water sprayer will come on, I believe, for 30 seconds or so, every 30 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. And this will continue for at least 5 to 6 days, non-stop. You have to change the water from the container down here once a day. This is very important, so to maintain a good water quality so that you don't get any mold or fungus. Okay, so the water sprayer stopped. I'm pretty sure it was on for 30 seconds, and then it will come back on in 30 minutes, I think. I'm going to put the lid back on, and that's it. This is day 2. As you can see, the seeds have already started sprouting. And everything looks just fine. By the way, I just changed the water from the container, something that you have to do every day to keep everything clean so that you don't get any mold. The water spout goes on for 30 seconds every 15 minutes. I thought it was every 30 minutes, but I'm pretty sure that it's once every 15 minutes for 30 seconds. So everything looks fine. This is day 3. The water spout is on, and the seeds, just about everyone This is day 3. All the seeds have sprouted and everything looks fine. Now, this is why you need to change the water every day. As you can see, the water is all dirty and murky, so the water needs to be changed once a day, every single day, for 6 days approximately. This is day 5. On day 4 I couldn't record because of Sunday. So everything looks just fine. The mung beans are almost fully grown. I'll probably give it maybe a couple more days and then they'll be ready to harvest.